8th Mathematics, Chapter 2, Rational Numbers. Dear children, let us recall what we have studied in our previous video class. Commutativity, second property, commutativity. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are commutative under addition. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. Dear children, today we will learn about commutative property under multiplication. Commutative property under multiplication. Consider the set of natural numbers. Consider the set of natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Multiplication. Consider the first example. 6, 10 belong to N. 6, 10 belong to N. That implies 6 into 10. 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Now consider 10 into 6. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. Therefore, 6 into 10 is same as 10 into 6. Consider the second example. 3, 30 belong to N. That implies 3 into 30. 3 into 30 is equal to 90. Now consider 30 into 3. 30 into 3 is equal to 90. Therefore, 3 into 30 is same as 30 into 3. For any two natural numbers A and B, A into B is equal to B into A. For any two natural numbers A and B, A into B is same as B into A. Therefore, natural numbers are commutative under multiplication. Natural numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now, consider the set of whole numbers. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Multiplication. Consider the first example. 2, 7 belong to W. If 2, 7 belong to W, then 2 into 7, that is equal to 14. Now consider 7 into 2. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. Okay. Therefore, 2 into 7 is same as 7 into 2. Now consider the second example. 0, 30 belong to W. That implies 0 into 30, that is equal to 0. Now consider 30 into 0, that is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 into 30 is same as 30 into 0. For any two whole numbers A and B, A into B is same as B into A. For any two whole numbers A and B, A into B equal to B into A. Therefore, whole numbers are commutative under multiplication. Whole numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now consider the set of integers. Z is equal to dash 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 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Multiplication. Consider the first example. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3 belong to Z. Then minus 2 into 3. Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, answer is minus 6. Now, consider 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Plus into minus is minus. 3 2s are 6. Answer is minus 6. Therefore, minus 2 into 3 is same as 3 into minus 2. Now consider the second example. Minus 50, 0 belong to Z implies minus 50 into 0 is equal to 0. Now 0 into minus 50. 0 into minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 50 into 0 is same as 0 into minus 50. For any two integers a and b, a into b equal to b into a. Therefore, integers are commutative under multiplication. Integers are commutative under multiplication. Now, consider the set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented in P by Q form where P, Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Multiplication. Consider the first example. Consider two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 belong to Q. Implies 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, answer is 8 by 9. 8 by 9. Now consider 4 by 3 into 2 by 3. 4 by 3 into 2 by 3. 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. Answer is 8 by 9. 8 by 9. Therefore, 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 is same as 4 by 3 into 2 by 3. Now consider another example. 0, 3 by 5. 0, 3 by 5 belong to Q. Implies 0 into 3 by 5. 0 into any number is 0. Now consider 3 by 5 into 0. 3 by 5 into 0 is 0. Therefore, 0 into 3 by 5 is same as 3 by 5 into 0. Now consider the third example. 1, 5 belong to Q. 1, 5 belong to set of rational numbers. That implies 1 into 5 that is equal to 5. Now consider 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, 1 into 5 is same as 5 into 1. For any two rational numbers a and b, a into b equal to b into a. For any two rational numbers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. Therefore, rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Home activity. Check whether natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are commutative under division. Check whether natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are commutative under division. Thank you.